guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mosul. I record videos on faith, beauty, hair, and lifestyle. If you're not new but a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I greatly appreciate you. You are the real MVP. So in today's video, I wanted to create just a simple basic look that works with any lip color, but the lip I would be doing would be red today. But this is just like my easy go-to, not a lot of work, not a lot of shimmer, you know, not a lot of eyes, but just something plain, easy, and get you right out the door. So if you'd like to see me create that look, then keep watching. So I'm just starting by priming my face. I'm going to be using the Milani Prime Shield. That's the only primer I have right now, so we are just going to make use to it. Prime my face and my T-zone a little bit. It's a mattifying primer, so hopefully it would let my nose go a little longer, because usually my nose is the first thing to disappear. So I'm gonna start with my foundation. I've been doing that of lately, not starting with my brows, just go straight into foundation. So that's what I'm going to do. I am using the Super Stay Full Coverage foundation from Maybelline. See that? Yeah, so I am a shade Warm Coconut, and I'm gonna be using that. And I'm going to use a pump and a half. And I'm going to get my round tip foundation brush from Juvia's Place, though mine is a little, it's dirty because I've recorded some videos and I have not washed it, so I'm just going to highlight. I highlight under my eyes. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn. And I'm gonna take my beauty sponge. I know it's dirty, don't come for me, people. I have done a lot of videos, so we will wash. Now I'm going to set my under eye with the Fenty setting powder in Banana and everywhere I've highlighted. So get some powder. So what I do 2 dabs. So once I get the setting powder, so I first take a combination from there, not a combination. I take my first pat and I dab the excess off in the top lid, because I'm going to be going back to it. And then I take the extra off on my hand and then I set. This I leave a little just to help with my nose highlight. I don't really contour my nose because I just don't. Now I'm going to work on my lids. The same concealer. Just put some on my eyelids. Taking a brush and just blending that out. The excess powder that was in the lid is what I'm going to use to set my lids. Dust off any excess and then set my lids. Okay, now that that's set, I'm going to go over to my brows. I've already brushed my brows before I started this video, so I'm just gonna outline and get my brows going. I'm using the pencil from Rimmel London. Now I'm going to take that concealer and my foundation and just put a little bit on my hand. So what I do is I take a little concealer and do the tail end and then my foundation for the top. So just clean that out like so. Then I take my foundation color and I clean up the front. And then I will blend them all in. And then I take a brow gel just to set my eyebrows in place. So I'm using the e.l.f. brow gel. So now I am going to line with the NYX Professional Epic liner. Okay, now so I have my lashes on. Now I'm going to just do a little bit of contouring. I didn't use a foundation stick. I just didn't want to be bothered with that today. So I'm just going to do a little contouring. Just right here. Right around my hairline. Just to give it some warmth and some depth. So for the contour, I use my CoverGirl Queen's Collection in Ebony Bronze. That's what I did. It's broken, but it's still going good. And now I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Deep. I usually use Deep, but I don't know why I started using Medium Deep. No, I use Deep for all around my face and Medium Deep for the highlighted area. So I'm just going to take a little bit and brush off whatever excess powder is on here so that we don't look so ashy and powdery, and I will not get flashback with this. So I'm just doing this in a circular motion while I brush off the excess powder. Now I'm gonna set my face all around. I used the Sephora Compact Powder in Neutral Mocha. That's my color. In medium, that's my color in MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Deep. So this one was cheaper. So set my all around face. Bam. So now I'm going to apply my brush from Terracotta. This is the brush I'm going to be using in Sunshine Shimmer Highlighter. So I'm just going to do little by little on my face. I'm just going to pat that in. Pat that in here as well. And then take my blush brush and just buff that out. I like it. I like it. Allergy. 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 Allergy.
Allergy. Allergy. Pain. Allergy. 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 Pain. Allergy. Allergy. Allergy.
I'm gonna set my face with the NYX matte finish. I like to do this before adding highlights. And the highlight of choice today is the Fenty Kilowatt Highlighter and Hustler Baby. So I'm just going to take just a little, because a little goes a long way with this highlighter, and start from here and bring it down. So that if there's ever a chance that I put too much, I know it's just right here. And I can bring it, and I just buff that out. You guys see that? Now I do the other side. Start from the high point and bring it down low. And buff that into my blush. So that it's like really no demarcation of where the blush and highlighter begins. And then buff that out. See? You see that? Little goes a long way. I don't know if I overdid this side. Sometimes I do. But like I said, a very little goes a long way. For the lip, I line my lip with the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Cruella. So I'm gonna line my lip. Oh, I like this Cruella. I'm thinking I'm gonna fill it in. Now to just top it, I'm going to take this soft matte lipstick from NYX and top it off. Guys, this is my finished look. I hope that you guys like it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it with my hair. It's giving me life. Everything is giving me life right now. So yes, this is the finished look. This is my simple. I need to just look good and get out the house. It works with any lip color and any blush color. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the red subscribe button down below, followed by the bell notification. Like this video, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.